Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we completed, I think so. We have completed what lesson? We have completed our proper and common nouns, correct? And we have started with new month. Now we are in which month? We are in July month, and in July month we are going to continue our online teaching, and you have to study at home, okay, because we don't know how many days more you are going to remain at home. Now the singular and plural forms. What is this singular and what is plural? Now if I will ask you, singular means what? You will say, ma'am, what you are saying, what is this singular and plural? For you these words are too much new. I think so these words you have heard first time, right? In first standard it was there for you. In first standard you might have studied little bit about singular and plural. You have not studied about singular and plural. You have studied one, many. Yes or no? D'Souza ma'am and Jadhav madam, they have taken, or then Kharat madam, they have taken one, many. One pen, many pens. एक आणि अनेक. एक वस्तूला आपण काय म्हणतो? सिंग्युलर. एका वस्तूला आपण काय म्हणतो? सिंग्युलर. आणि दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त वस्तूंना आपण काय म्हणतो? प्लुरल. व्हॉट वी से फॉर मेनी थिंग्स, वी से फॉर मेनी थिंग्स प्लुरल. Okay, in this way today we are going to study about the singular and plural. Till now we have completed 4 lessons of English grammar. How many lessons of English grammar? 4 lessons. First one is the alphabetical order. Second lesson of English is the making words. Correct? What was second lesson? The making words. The third lesson is the noun. And the fourth lesson which we studied last week, it is the proper and common noun. Yesterday also we studied one question of proper and common noun. And today we are going to start with fifth lesson of English grammar. The name of the lesson is the singular and plural forms. What is name of the lesson? The singular and plural forms. Now singular means one. Any one thing. Are you understanding or not? Any one thing. One pen, one pencil, one eraser, one sharpener, one dress, one bottle. Understood? One book, one bag, one bench, one tiffin. That all one is what? All one is singular. कोणत्या पण एका वस्तूला आपण इंग्लिशमध्ये काय म्हणतो? सिंग्युलर. नाउ वन आय टोल्ड वन बुक, मेनी बुक्स, मेनी टिफिन्स, मेनी पेन्स, मेनी इरेजर्स, मेनी sharpeners, many benches, many tiffins, many bottles. Have you understood? If you want to see, I will take your examples. If you want to see, I will take examples. One and many. One and many you have studied in first standard, okay? And what is this one called? One is also called singular. What it is called? Singular. For you, it will become little difficult to pronounce, but pronounce it. What is that? Singular. And many means what? Many means plural. Come on, say. singular, singular. plural, plural. Singular, plural. Okay? And now if I will give you examples, one pen, one eraser, one sharpener. Okay? One, if I want to tell, one book. Correct? One pencil. In this way, what we are going to study? We are going to study of, we were talking about one and many. Now if we will take one pen, you are not able to see over here, I will write down it up. Okay? If I will say, one means singular. One pen, one pencil, correct? One eraser. This is what? Singular. One pen, one pencil, one eraser. It is what? Singular. And if I want to talk about many, correct? Then what this one pen will become? One pen will become many pens. What it will become? Many pens. One pencil will become what? Many pencils. Correct? One eraser will become what in many? It will become many erasers. What it will become? Many erasers. Have you understood? You have studied in first standard one and many. But in second standard you don't have to say one and many. What you have to say? You have to say singular for what? Singular for one and plural for many. Understood? Plural for many and one for singular. Have you understood? Is it clear to you? And here it is told that now what is singular and what is plural. The noun is said to be singular when we speak or write of any one thing. When we write of any one thing, it is called what? It is called singular noun. What it is called? Singular. Noun means what? Naming word. Now many times pen, pencil, these are what? These are nouns, names of things, name of person. There are 4 boys. Boys is what? Noun. So here noun is used. The noun is said to be singular when we speak or write of any one thing. When we speak or write of any one thing, it is called singular. And when the noun is said to be plural, the noun is said to be plural when we speak or write of 2 or more things. When we speak or write of 2 things, 2 or more things. When we speak of 2 things or more than 2 things, those words or those nouns are called plurals. What they are called? Plurals. That only I have told you, singular and plural. What is spelling of singular? singular, singular. Plural, plural, plural. Understood? singular, singular, plural, plural. Have you understood? One means singular, many means plural. Again, one means singular, many means plural. Now example I will show you. I have one pen. One pen is what? Singular. I have one pen. Or I have a pen. Singular. I have 3 pens. Pens वापरलाय मी शब्द. काय शब्द वापरलाय मी? Pens. P-E-N-S. One and many. Understood? One pen and more than 2 is called many. One pen, many pens. Understood? One pen, many pens. Next example which I will show you over here is, look here now. I have one book. What I have? I have one book. And in this hand I have 2 books. In this hand I have 2 books. In this hand I have one book. When I will say book means what? Book means what? Singular. When I will say books, books means what? Plural. समझला का? One book, many books. In this way, when we speak of singular and plural, singular means one and plural means 2. 2 or more than 2. The noun is said to be singular when we speak or write of any one thing. The noun is said to be plural when we speak or write of 2 or more things. Understood? Have you understood what is singular and plural? And here it is told that now how plurals are formed. How we add s in some plurals. काही प्लुरल्स असे सिंग्युलरमधून प्लुरलमध्ये शिफ्ट केले तर काही ठिकाणी एस जोडला जातो, काही ठिकाणी ईएस जोडला जातो. सो नाव हियर प्लुरल्स आर फॉर्म्ड बाय ॲडिंग एस टू द सिंग्युलर. S, if we are adding S to the singular, what it happens? leg, leg, we have added only S. What we have added over here? S. What we have added here? S. Then leg will become what? Legs. Hat will become what? Hats. We have added what here? S is added over here. Have you understood? Plurals are formed by adding S to the singular. Leg is what? Leg is singular, and hat is what? Leg is what? Singular. Hat is what? Singular. Legs is what? Plural. Hats is what? Plural. Understood? In this way we have studied what? We have studied what is singular and what is plural. The remaining part of the lesson we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay? Is it correct? It is okay for you? Okay, then fine. And we will meet tomorrow with same topic, the singular and plural. Thank you.